Hello students, welcome to my channel Math Magic. If my videos help your study, so share my video to all of your friends for better study. Okay, so let's today we start binomial theorem, class 11 chapter from mathematics book. Binomial theorem. Okay, so see what is binomial theorem. Suppose a plus b whole to the power n. Okay, this is the form of binomial theorem. So all of you know a plus b whole square, you know, a plus b whole cube, you know, but for the further a plus b whole to the power 4 or a plus b whole to the power 5 or a plus b whole to the power n means any natural number. Okay, so a plus b whole to the power 9, a plus b whole to the power 10, how you will find? Using binomial theorem, we find all the values. Okay. So first of all, see the formula: a plus b whole to the power n. N is any natural number. Remember it. Okay. So a plus b whole to the power n. The formula is a to the power n. Then plus n c 1 a to the power n minus 1 into b to the power 1 plus nc2, c means combination, nc2 a to the power n minus 2 into b to the power 2 plus dot 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 dot, and last term is b to the power n. Okay, so see carefully, a plus b whole to the power n, that is a to the power n, nc1 a to the power n minus 1 into b to the power 1 plus nc2 into a to the power n minus 2 into b to the power 2. Next term is nc3 a to the power n minus 3 into b to the power 3, and so on, and last term is b to the power n. Okay, so in short, and remember one thing, nc1, nc2, nc3 all are the coefficients of this binomial series. Okay, all are the coefficients. And in short, we can write this in summation form, that is a plus b whole to the power n r 0 to n r equal to 0 to n, we write ncr into a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. Okay, in short, we write in binomial series a plus b whole to the power n, that is equal to summation of r 0 to n ncr a to the power n minus r b to the power r. Okay, you put r equal to 0, so nc0 a to the power n b to the power 0, we get the first term. You put r equal to 1, that means nc1 a to the power n minus 1 b to the power r, that means b to the power 1, we get the second term. Clear? That is why we get all the binomial series. Okay, and remember one thing again, nc1 nc2 nc3 dot dot dot, that all are coefficients. Okay, coefficients. Now see one thing, here any natural number, so what is the number of term? If we factorize the term fully, so what is the number of term we will get? Okay, so here is a plus b whole to the power n, so after factorization we get the total number of terms equal to n plus 1. Okay, give an example, suppose a plus b whole to the power 5. Okay, so after factorization we get 5 plus 1 6 terms. Suppose a plus b whole to the power 10, so after factorization we get 10 plus 1, that is 11 terms. Clear everyone? Now see, now some special cases. Okay, if we put instead of a we put 1 and instead of b we put x, so we get 1 plus x whole to the power n. Okay, okay, I repeat, instead of a we put 1, instead of b we put x. Okay, so x 1 plus x whole to the power n. So this is the, now the after factorization, now we get the series, that is nc0 nc0 plus nc1 x, then nc2 x square plus nc3 x cube plus dot dot dot, and last term is x to the power n. Okay, this is the special case. If we put a equal to 1 and b equal to x and then whole to the power n, we get nc0, nc0 means 1, nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus nc3 into x cube, and last term is x to the power n. Okay, now see, on putting x equal to 1 we get, okay, instead of x, if we put x equal to 1, so we get 1 plus 1 whole to the power n equal to nc0 plus nc1, okay, into 1. Instead of x we put 1, that means nc1, then nc2, x square means 1 square, that is 1 also, then nc3 and so on. So we get the result is, what is the result? 2 to the power n. So sum of the coefficients, we can say that sum of the coefficients we get the value is 2 to the power n. Okay. Okay, clear? Now see another thing, another special case on putting x equal to minus 1. Okay. Now see, if we put instead of x minus 1, so see what happened. So in this equation we put minus 1, so 1 minus 1 whole to the power n equal to nc0. Okay, then instead of x we put minus 1, so minus nc1, then again here is minus 1 whole square, that is plus, so it becomes nc2. Okay, then again x cube means minus 1 whole cube, then again minus sign, minus nc3 and so on. Clear everyone? So 1 minus 1 equal to 0, so we get 0 equal to nc0 minus nc1 plus nc2 minus nc3 plus nc4 dot 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 so on. Okay, now see what happened. So we can write nc0 plus nc2. Okay, using this equation we can write nc0 plus nc2 plus nc4 plus dot 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 is equal to, okay, nc1 plus nc3 plus nc5 plus dot 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 dot. Okay, now see what happened. Sum of each part, okay, this equal to this, so sum of each part equal to half into 2 to the power n. Okay, so sum of each part equal to half into 2 to the power n. Okay, so we get 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so we get, because 1 by 2 equal to 2 to the power minus 1, so we get 2 to the power minus 1. Okay, so this is the special form. Now general term, find the general term. So how to find general term? General term, t r plus 1, we write general term t r plus 1 equal to ncr into a to the power in first equation. Okay, find the general term, a plus b whole to the power n, find the general term, that is tr plus 1 equal to ncr into a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. This is the general term of the binomial, any binomial expansion. Okay, now some examples. Okay, see, some examples. Example number 1. Okay, see carefully. Example number 1. Here is the question is expand x square plus 3 divided by x whole to the power 4. Expand x square plus 3 divided by x whole to the power 4. Okay, so this is a binomial theorem. Binomial means two term. There is two term, first one and second one. That is why this expansion is called binomial theorem. Okay, so x square plus 3 by x whole to the power 4. So the power is 4. Okay, so n equal to 4. So how many terms after factorization? How many terms we get? That is 4 plus 1, 5 terms. So after factorization we get 5 terms. Total 5 terms. Okay, see, first one is x square whole to the power 4 plus, then using the formula nc1, okay, nc1 x square whole to the power 4 minus 1, here n means 4, 4c1 x square whole to the power 4 minus 1 into 3 by x whole to the power 1. Next term is 4c2 nc2, that means 4c2 x square whole to the power 4 minus 2 into 3 divided by x whole to the power 2. Next term is 4c3 x square whole to the power 4 minus 3 into 3 by x whole to the power 3 plus last term is 3 by x whole to the power 4. Okay, so check number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after explanation we get 5 terms. Okay, Now see x to the power x square whole to the power 4, that is 4 to the 8, so we get x to the power 8. Then 4c2 4c1 into x to the power 4 minus 1 3 3 to the 6, okay, into 3 divided by x plus 4c2 into x square whole to the power 2, that means x to the power 4 into 3 square 3 3 the 9 divided by x square plus 4c3, okay, into x to the power 2 into 1, that is x to the power 2 into 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27. 27 divided by x cube, and last term is 3 to the power 4. That means 3 3 the 9, 9 9 the 81. 81 x to the power 4. Okay. Now putting the value or calculate the value, after calculation we get the result is, after calculation we get the result is x to the power 8. See, after calculation we get x to the power 8 plus 12 x to the power 5, 12 x to the power 5 plus 54 x square, 54 x square, then plus 108 divided by x, 108 divided by x, and last term is 81 divided by x to the power 4, 81 divided by x to the power 4. Okay, so got it. Next, another example. Give another example. Expand 3x minus 2y whole to the power 4. Same. 3x minus 2y whole to the power 4. 3x minus 2y whole to the power 4. Okay. So check 3x minus 2y whole to the power 4. Here is total term, power is 4. So after expandation we get 4 plus 1, 5 terms. Okay. Now check how you find 3x minus 2y whole to the power 4. So again using formula 3x whole to the power 4, okay, plus 4c1 into 3x whole to the power 4 minus 1 into, next term is minus 2y whole to the power 1, then plus 4c2 into 3x whole to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 2y whole to the power 2, then 4c3 into 3x whole to the power 4 minus 3 into minus 2y whole to the power 3, and last term is minus 2y whole to the power 4. Again we get 5 terms. Okay, so after calculation final result is, okay, after calculation final result is 81 x to the power 4, 81 x to the power 4 plus, sorry, minus 216 x cube y minus 216 x cube y, then again plus, okay, we get 216 x square y square, 216 x square y square, then again minus 96 x y cube, 96 x y cube, and last term is 16 y to the power 4, 16 y to the power 4. Okay, so this is example number 1, this is example number 2. Okay, using the same formula we get the result. Hope all of you understood. Now come to the next one. Okay, come to the next one. Next sum is, next question, find third term of the expansion 3x square minus 2 divided by x whole to the power 8. 3x square minus 2 divided by x whole to the power 8. Okay, now the question is, in this binomial expansion find the third term in the expansion. Okay, so using general term formula. So what is the general term formula? Tr plus 1 equal to, okay, n Cr into a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. This is the general term formula. Okay. Now see here, a b, first term is a, second one is b, and the power 8 here is n. N means any natural number. Okay. Now see, required to find third term, that means t3. Write in the form of tr plus 1, that is t2 plus 1. Okay. Now see, using the formula NCR, n means power 8, 8CR, that is 2. Okay, 8C2 into 3x square whole to the power 8 minus 2 into minus 2 divided by x whole to the power 2. Okay, after calculation, we get the third term of the expansion. Okay, so check 8c2, that means factorial 8 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, that is 6. Okay, and here is 3x square whole to the power 8 minus 2, that is 6, and here is minus 2 whole square, that is plus, so 2 whole square 4 and x square. Okay, so factorial 8, that is 8 into 7 into factorial 6, need not to write more because here is in denominator, here is also factorial 6, so factorial 2 means 2 into 1 into factorial 6. Okay, and here is 3 to the power 6 into x to the power 6 to the 12 into 4 divided by x square. Okay, so 6 cancel, 2 4 the 8, so 4 7 the 28. Okay, 28 into 3 to the power 6 into 4 into x to the power 12 by x square, that is x to the power 10. Okay, now do this multiplication on and get the result. This is the third term of this binomial expansion. Okay, now come to the next sum. Next sum is, come to the next one. Next question is, if which term in the expansion of x minus 2 by x whole to the power 11, x minus 2 by x whole to the power 11. Okay, so the question is, this is a binomial expansion, so which term in the expansion x minus 3 divided by x square whole to the power 18, sorry, x minus 2 by x whole to the power 11, okay, contain x to the power minus 3. Which term contain x to the power minus 3? Okay, check, let r plus 1 term contain x to the power minus 3. Okay, now find r plus 1 term. Okay, using general formula you find easily. So tr plus 1 is equal to NCR, n means 11, 11 CR, R is unknown, required to find. Okay, R is unknown. So 11 CR into x to the power 11 minus R into minus 2 divided by x whole to the power R. This is the general term. Okay, so at first we take, let r plus 1 term contain x to the power minus 3. Okay, so find r plus 1 term. This is the r plus 1 term. Calculate 11 CR into x to the power 11 minus r into minus 2 whole to the power r into x to the power minus r. Here is 1 by x whole to the power r. We can write x to the power minus r. So 11 CR into x to the power 11 minus r, because 11 minus r, here is also minus r. So 11 minus r into minus 2 whole to the power r. So we get 11 CR into minus 2 whole to the power r into x to the power 11 minus 2r. Okay, now the question, x to the power minus 3. So according to the problem, we write 11 minus 2r is equal to minus 3, or minus 2r equal to minus 3 minus 11. Okay, or minus 2r equal to minus 14. Minus minus cancel in both sides, so r equal to 7. We get the value of r equal to 7. Okay, so at first we take r plus 1 term contain x to the power minus 3. So we get the value of r equal to 7. So what is the r plus 1 term? R plus 1 term equal to 7 plus 1, that is 8th term contain x to the power minus 3. Clear everyone? I hope all of you understood. Okay, now another example, another important example. Okay, so check carefully, see carefully. Next sum is, listen the question first. Next sum is, which term in the expansion x minus 3 divided by x square whole to the power x independent of x. Okay, I repeat the question, x minus 3 by x square x minus 3 divided by x square whole to the power 18. Okay, independent of x. So first of all, you see what do you mean by independent of x? Okay, what do you mean by independent of x? Independent of x, that means in that binomial expansion, after expand this series, we get many terms. So many terms. How many terms? There is power is 18. So 18 plus 1, 19 term. After expandation, we get total number of term equal to 18. 18 plus 1, 19. All of you clear? So out of this 19 term, one term is independent of x. That is, there is the term do not contain x. That term do not contain x. That means only coefficients. Okay, that term is called independent of x. That means in that term contain the power of x equal to 0. Okay, that is the basic concept of independent of x. Power of x is 0. So again same process, we apply same process. Let r plus 1 term be independent of x. Okay, so we write therefore t r plus 1. Okay, again same process. So n means 18 cr into x to the power 18 minus r into minus 3 divided by x square whole to the power r. Okay, using the general formula we get this. So let we take r plus 1 term is independent of x. That means the power of x is 0. In that term the power of x is 0. Okay, now calculate 18 cr into x to the power 18 minus r into minus 3 whole to the power r into 1 by x to the power 2r. Here, okay. Now see 18 cr x to the power 18 minus r minus 3 whole to the power r into x to the power minus 2r. Now see 18 cr x to the power 18 minus r minus 2r into minus 3 whole to the power r. Now see what happened, 18 cr into minus 3 whole to the power r into x to the power 18 minus 3r. Hope all of you clear. Now see, according to the question, again according to the question or according to the problem, 18 minus 3r equal to 0 because the power of x is 0 in the term of independent of x. Okay, so after calculation we get minus 3r equal to minus 18 or r equal to 6. Okay, so at first we take let r plus 1 term be independent of x. So we get the value of r equal to 6. So all of you clear? So r plus 1 term, that means 6 plus 1 term, that is 7th term. 6 plus 1, that is 7th term. Okay, 7th term is independent of x. Hope all of you clear? Okay, everybody note it down. This is the very important sum for your exam, final exam or any exam. This is the very important. Which term is independent of x? This explanation. Okay. Now next one. Give another example. Give another example. See carefully. Okay, the question is find the middle term or terms. Find the middle term or terms. The first one is 3 minus x cube divided by 6. 3 minus x cube divided by 6 whole to the power 7. Okay, this is the binomial expansion. Okay, now the question is find the middle term or middle terms. Okay, see carefully. Their power is 7. That means the value of n is 7. So how many terms after factorization we get number of terms equal to 7 plus 1 8 term. Okay, so we get number of terms equal to 8. That is even number. If we get even number 8, so there is 2 middle term. Okay, so you write after explanation we get 7 plus 1 equal to 8 terms. Okay, so there is 2 middle terms. If 8 is even number, so we get 2 middle terms. One is, so middle terms equal to 8 by 12th term, that is 1. and another one is 8 by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, we get two middle term, that is 4th term and that is 5th term. So there is two middle term, one is 4th term and another one is 5th term. Okay, now find 4th term. How to find? Using general formula. So T4, that is T3 plus 1. So we get 7C3 into 3 to the power 7 minus 3 into minus x's cube divided by 6 whole to the power 3. Okay, so we get 7C3 into 3 to the power 7 minus 3, that is 4. Okay, and there is cube, that is minus remains minus. So x to the power 3 3 is 9 divided by 6 whole cube. Okay, so we get minus 7c3 3 to the power 4 into x to the power 9 divided by 6 cube. That is the fourth term. And fifth term, okay, find same way. T5, that is T4 minus 4 plus 1. So we expand this general form. So we get 7C4 3 to the power, here is 3 to the power 7 minus 4, then minus x's cube divided by 6 whole to the power 4. Okay, so we get 7C4 into 3 to the power 7 minus 4, that is 3. Okay, then minus whole to the power 4 become plus. So x to the power 3 4 the 12 divided by 6 to the power 4. Okay, this is the fifth term. We get two middle term. One is minus 7c3 3 to the power 4 into x to the power 9 divided by 6 cube. Okay, and calculate it on. And then the fifth term, that is 7c4 into 3 cube into x to the power 12 divided by 6 to the power 4. Okay, this is the middle term. There is two middle terms. One is fourth term and another one is fifth term. Okay, if my video likes you, so share my video. Thank you, students.